again, we're happy and would highly recommend Bartlett Roofing, and especially Jon, for anything.
Hey guys, Jon with Bartlett Roofing here. I'm with the Garret family, and we just finished putting on their brand new roof that we got them bought through their homeowner's insurance.
Hi, I'm Jim, and this is my wife Suzanne. And we had a big windstorm here several months ago, and we had lost a few shingles, but I didn't see any major damage on the roof. But Jon and his crew were coming through the neighborhood and looking for houses that did have wind damage that they could see from the street. And normally a door-to-door solicitor we would send away, you know, they seemed legitimate. Jon said they'd get up on the roof, inspect for storm damage, and they could get the insurance claims process going if there was wind damage. We said sure, we trusted him. They got up, looked, found wind damage, and right that evening they got on the phone with our insurance. A couple days later, our insurance adjuster came out. Jon met with him, went up on the roof with him, showed him the damage he had found, and after about 20 minutes they came down, and the traveler's claims adjuster said we'll cover a total roof replacement.
Pretty good deal.
Jon handled all the details of dealing with insurance. We really didn't have to do anything, you know, other than sign a couple papers, and he kept on top of everything, kept us informed, and it all unfolded really quickly, and they were able to get a crew booked for our roof within a few days. You know, they said that it would probably get done in one day, and I couldn't believe that would happen, but it actually did. They were the hardest working crew I've ever seen. They just kind of from 7 in the morning to 7 in the evening busted it out, did a great job, kept the yard clean, and the roof looks great, and we couldn't be happier with everything. Oh, after they came door to door, I did go online and check Better Business Bureau and scam alerts and all that, and everything I found showed Bartlett to be well recommended, so no red flags. So again, we're very satisfied with the whole process, and we'd strongly recommend Bartlett Roofing.
All right, well, thank you guys so much for those recommendations. We really appreciate it, and of course we're happy that you're happy. It's our job to help our customers, and that's what we strive to do every single day.
And it looks great. So.
Awesome, thank you so much. Yeah, I came by here, noticed that they had all this wind damage as we were driving by, helping out some people in the neighborhood. So I couldn't help but come and knock them and see if we could give them some assistance. So sure enough, they let me pop up here on the roof. We ran a quick free no obligation inspection, and we found significant damage up here. Same day, we got the full approval. Insurance bought this whole roof for them, with the exception of their $500 deductible. As you can see up here, we were able to get them upgraded for little to no cost to this lifetime duration shingle. Beautiful color here. We also got them fitted with this ridge venting system. I personally think it really gives it a nice pop from the street. Looks good, and it also provides quite a bit more ventilation than your average box vent that you would see on most roofs. Yeah, and the beauty of this process is not only did we get the whole roof bought and paid for through insurance, we also were able to get their garage covered as well. This whole thing, amazingly enough, this is a one-day process, tear down, reinstallation, all done within one day, and we were out of their hair, and they were very happy about that. If you can think about how long you see other companies up on roofs for, our guys, they got up here, they busted their humps, and they did a great job, and they got these people taken care of within one work day.
So. And when you went up there, I thought he was going to come. We're not going to pay for this.
No. It was a little soft up there. Both of us almost went through a couple times. Yeah, we're like, stomp a couple times.
We were waiting for someone to fall through, but we got it all patched up and good to go.
It made a difference about the approach that you said.
Yeah.
We're looking for damage. Yours looks damaged. And then you had pictures. You saw it. And you stayed on point about what it was. It wasn't just like, I'm here to sell you a
Right.
I'm looking for the damage, and then we'll talk about what we can do. And the spiel, I had heard nothing about an insurance company.
Right.
So that was a novel piece of information for me, and I thought we need to at least listen to what's going to happen here and see where it goes. So
Absolutely.
I just think it was a good job.
Yeah, I mean,
Thank
getting
you.
up there on
Thank
the
you.
roof with the phone and on our, get
Yep.
our insurance policy number, and they're there going, okay, we'll take care of this.
Yep.
And
It
a
just
couple days
clicked.
later.
It just really
Perfect.
clicked.
Well,
Yeah.